set up. We gotta do some welding and some fabrication work to it, so we're gonna bring it up to the shop, see what we gotta do to it. Hopefully get it installed in the truck this week. I ordered new battery cables, new plug, and a couple other things for it. Because I'll show you guys later, but we're gonna hook it up to my back plow plug setup, so I don't have to run all new wires through the cab, this, that, and the other thing. I should be able to just plug it in and run it if all goes well, which hopefully it will. It shouldn't be too bad to set it up. Alright, so we got it picked up. Just checking everything out before I get ready to throw it in the truck, because I gotta start wiring some stuff up, and I want to make sure that the motor works. My buddy says that it does, but I gotta check it, and I just want to see all the broken welds and rot that I'm gonna be repairing this winter. They welded this angle iron on here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this entire length here, the whole length all the way down, and I'm going to cut up there, go across, go down, and then I'm going to bring it to I'm going to go to the steel shop, have them bend me up 2 pieces of steel, so I can do 1 piece down there, down, up and around, and 1 piece up here, down, up and around. Then I can get this all sandblasted. I'm gonna fix up these pockets. I don't know why they cut those in there. They got these. But I'm gonna end up cutting these off and welding new ends. And then I'm just gonna go with 2x8s. Maybe I'll stack 2 of them here. And that'll be good enough for me. I'm not using this to haul a lot of dirt. It's mainly going to be grass, leaves, mulch, lighter stuff, just to help with the guys with the landscaping. I gotta do a little bit of patchwork here, just enough to get me by for the season. And then this winter I'll tear it all apart, rebuild the whole thing. And this is all a little wonky, and it's rotted over there where they welded the angle iron on. Same thing over here, but you know, I only paid a couple $100 for it, so I can't really complain about it. So let's see about trying to get a battery hooked up to this, see if I can figure out which wires do what. All right, we got everything hooked up. Screwdriver. Hopefully get this thing to go up and then maybe go down. Well, there we go. Got it all working, and then now I'm going to try and bring it in so that over the next day or so I can work on doing some of the patching, getting it ready to go, so when the parts come in a couple days I can just drop this back on the truck and All right, welcome back. It's been 2 weeks, 3 weeks since we got this dump insert. I know I haven't uploaded the video yet, but I was waiting to get some more material together to put this in the truck. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get this hooked up just for the season, and then in the winter time I'm gonna get a whole new floor bent up from my local steel shop, get it replaced, rebuild the whole thing, do some lights, some other stuff, maybe a better tarp system because that tarp's all ripped and falling apart. The bearings make a ton of noise and it's just hammered. It's been used, shall we say. Plus, the parts finally came in that I ordered. I ordered some 1/aught cables so that I can hook it up to my back plow, which is right there in the middle. I run an Ebling 16-foot back plow, and it runs these Anderson clips, cable clips, whatever you want to call them. And it's hooked up right on the driver's side in the back of the truck. So I've got battery power back there for that, and it runs a 7-way connector to the plow controller in the truck for 3 switches in the box. They're all momentary switches for the one for each wing to go in and out, one to go up and down, and then an on-off switch. So it's got 7 functions to do what it needs to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run some 7-way wire, which is here, to power this motor to make it go up and down. And then I'm probably going to put some other stuff on it. Like I may put a power tarp on it at some point, and maybe put a power tailgate so I don't have to get out of the truck because I'm lazy. So we got all the cables made up, got these crimped on, got some heat shrink on there, new covers because my other ones got lost. And we're just going to patch up the couple big holes in the floor right here. I think there's one up there near the headboard. There's a bunch of cracks all over the place. I don't know if you can see that, it's cracked the whole length here. I'm going to cut these open a little bit more because they're jam-packed full of wood and dirt. Weld up all the holes. Cut the stake pockets off because I'm going to weld a piece of angle here so that I can put 3 panels of wood here for sideboards. And if I make it, I think 18 inches tall from here up, I calculated the cubic area, cubic feet, whatever the hell you want to call it. I should be able to carry 4.33 cubic yards of mulch in here. If I mound it up, I could probably get 5. So that should be pretty good. That'll really assist with the dump truck over there because that can carry 6.5 mounded up.